Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Lesson 4. The importance of asking questions. Sayyidah Fatima used to teach Quran to the women of Medina. In one of these gatherings, one woman asked so many questions. Sayyidah Fatima made sure to answer all of them patiently and with a smile. After the woman asked her 10th question, she felt embarrassed and said, "I bothered you with so many questions today." And Sayyidah Fatima gently replied,
"Ask as many questions as you would like and I will gladly reply. Allah gives thousands of rewards for every answer that I give."
Whenever you have a question, whether it's big or small, don't be shy to ask. Ask the right people who know more about the subject you're wondering about. You can also save your questions for later when you meet with a teacher or scholar.
If you don't know something, ask those who know, and always remember Allah.
A good question is half of knowledge.